how to create dashboards to track KPI on Asana. In this video, I'll show you how to create dashboards to track KPI on Asana. So to get started, go ahead and open Asana on your browser, sign into your account, and then go ahead and start with creating a new project. Now for this new project, go ahead and set this to your preferred template if you want to use a template. You can also use a blank page, and then once you have selected that, you can go ahead and name this project. After that, click on Continue. You can also set up with Asana AI, which would make it easier for you to create your dashboards on Asana, and then make sure to select the views that you want for your project on the dashboard section. So make sure to select all of that and then click on this create a project. So on this section, you need to go ahead and start by defining your KPIs. Start by identifying the metrics you want to track, such as the task completion rate, project milestones, budget usage, campaign performance, and team workload. You need to build your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard tab, go ahead and click on this add widget button. Choose chart type such as bar, pie, line, donut, and select data sources such as tasks, custom fields, and milestones. So in this section, make sure to set your custom fields on tracking your metrics. So make sure to set it along with the category of this specific column. So after you have set this up, you can go ahead and proceed on entering the data that you'll need for your dashboard. And the custom fields that you'll need would be status, budget spent, completion, and priority level. Once you've done that, make sure that you set this into its correct field type. So for the status, make sure to make it a single select, and make sure to set the selection to done and in progress. And then click on that create field button to proceed with the next fields. Now for the budget spent, make sure to set it to number and single select for the priority level. Now head over into the dashboard and make sure to add all the widgets such as the charts that you'll be needing for your dashboard, and make sure to set the data sources of such charts. And that is how you can basically create dashboards to track KPI on Asana. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.